Get your free Cambridge IELTS ebook. Subscribe now. Some text goes here. Are you ready to excel in the IELTS listening test and secure that dream score? Look no further. Welcome to IELTS High Score, your ultimate companion for conquering the IELTS listening test. Whether you're an IELTS pro or just starting your journey, our guide is designed to be your support system for mastering your listening skills. Within this comprehensive guide, we're here to reveal tried and tested strategies, valuable insights, and expert tips. Our mission is to provide you with the tools and know-how you need to secure that amazing score you're aiming for. Special offer: subscribe now and receive a free premium Cambridge IELTS ebook. To claim your free ebook, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. Subscribe. Become a part of our community by subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on insightful updates and strategies that will elevate your IELTS journey. Comment your email. After subscribing, leave a comment with your email address. This will help us send you the link to your free Cambridge IELTS ebook. Share your latest listening score. Are you worried about acing the IELTS listening test and reaching your dream score? Worry no more. We've got your back with 5 straightforward tips to own the IELTS listening test. Familiarize yourself with different accents. The listening test may feature a variety of English accents. To prepare, expose yourself to different accents by listening to podcasts, movies, and news broadcasts. Predictive listening. Before listening to the audio, read through the questions quickly. This helps you anticipate what information you need to listen for and stay focused during the recording. Note-taking. Keep a short, organized set of notes while listening. Write down keywords, main ideas, and numbers. This will assist you in answering questions accurately without missing important details. Stay ahead of the recording. The recording usually moves quickly, so stay ahead by reading the questions for the next section while listening to the current one. This will help you maintain a clear understanding of the context. Multiple choice strategies. For multiple choice questions, pay attention to options that sound similar. Focus on differences in meaning, synonyms, or specific details mentioned in the audio to make the correct choice. Bonus tip: practice, practice, practice. Engage in regular listening exercises, mock tests, and real audio materials to improve your listening skills and build confidence. By incorporating these tips into your preparation, you'll be well equipped to tackle the IELTS listening test with confidence. Good luck! Consistent practice and these tips will amplify your skills and performance. And guess what? As a token of appreciation, every subscriber will receive premium IELTS ebooks to boost their preparation. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Hit that subscribe button now and join our collective learning journey. Also, follow us on Instagram at IELTS_highscore for more updates, tips, and engaging content. Your support is invaluable to us. Subscribe to IELTS High Score and embark on your journey to mastering the IELTS listening test. Your dedication and practice will guide you to your desired score. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and let's rock your IELTS journey together. For extra inspiration and updates, follow us. IELTS listening test with questions and answers. This test consists of 3 passages. You will have time to read the questions before you listen. Listen to the audio recordings carefully. Answer the questions while listening to each passage. Write your answers on the question paper. You will have 30 minutes to complete all 3 passages. Please note that this is a sample test, and the difficulty level is similar to what you might find on the IELTS exam. Hey there!
I'm Jan. Are you the person to talk to about the Buckworth Conservation Group?
Absolutely, Jan. I'm Peter, the group's secretary.
Perfect. I've just relocated to this area, and I'm eager to get involved. I used to be part of a similar group in my previous town. Could you give me some insights into your activities?
Certainly. Our agenda consists of a blend of regular commitments and special events. One of our routine tasks involves the ongoing effort to keep the beach free of litter. A few of us dedicate a couple of hours each month to this task, and the amount of litter we find is quite disheartening. I wish people would show more responsibility and carry their trash back home.
I share your sentiments. Count me in to help with that. Can I bring my dogs along?
Regrettably, dogs are not allowed on the beach, but they're welcome along the cliffs. On the bright side, children are more than welcome.
Understood.
Additionally, we manage a nature reserve that requires our attention throughout the year. For instance, since it's a popular destination, we invest significant effort in maintaining the paths to ensure they remain in good walking condition.
I'd be glad to assist with path maintenance.
Wonderful. We're also committed to creating new habitats within the reserve. Recently, we completed the installation of nesting boxes for birds, and our next project revolves around boosting insect populations. These critters are pivotal for the reserve's biodiversity.
Insects play a crucial role indeed.
Oh, and we're also embarking on a project to identify the various species of butterflies that frequent the reserve. You might find this project intriguing.
Absolutely. I've participated in a similar endeavor in my previous location, where we counted moth species. I'm eager to contribute.
Another task at the reserve is the replacement of a damaged wall on the southern side, between the parking area and our woodshed. It was severely affected by a storm last month.
Noted. Sharing is caring. If you believe the tips shared in the video could be helpful to your friends or anyone striving for IELTS success, we encourage you to hit the share button. Your share might be the key that unlocks someone else's high score dream. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our upcoming videos that cover all aspects of IELTS preparation. Our goal is to be your go-to resource for achieving excellence in the IELTS exam. Thank you for being a part of the IELTS high score community. Together, we can reach new heights of success in the IELTS listening test.